So I'm looking at the bear ETF for the semiconductor sector since this has been driving the market price actions since the end of 2022. So there is a strong buy signal on the bear side for this sector. And if we look into the QQQ, which is corresponding with the SQQQ, we're seeing the same thing. However, the SQQQ still needs some time to find a bottom here, so the market will likely peak on Tuesday and will start lowering from there. And for this potential market sell off, I am actually seeing this as a trigger for a bigger event, potentially a bear market. Because if we go to the inverse ETF for the SPY, we can see that on the quarter chart, there is this strong buy signal on this inverse ETF for the SPY in 2007. However, there was no buy signal in 2007 on the half year chart. But there is a buy signal on this same ETF for this potential sell off that's coming, as well as the annual chart for this potential sell off. So, this potential sell off that we're walking into is much bigger than 2007. At the very least, I can't see into the more historical bear markets because this is just the limitation of this software. And to say that this kind of market sell off is due to a mere rate cut or even a bad jobs market would be an overstatement because a bad jobs market has been in existence in history, and this kind of market sell off signal has never existed per this software. So I am considering the possibility of a US debt default, according to my research, and the fact that the credit rating of the US has been downgraded earlier on this year. So, this is a real possibility.